I don't really know the specs of Numi's toilet, I'm not gonna lie. She was just like, hey, can I send you a toilet? It won't deliver to me. I'm like, okay. Sure. Yeah, okay. And that's all, and that's all she wrote. That was it. And
Beauregard,
so good.
David, thank you for the 20 gifted.
thank you for the 20
so
gifted.
much. Thank you. Hey, Rain.
Hi.
Come on, chat, you can do it. Raise the timer. Give Twin a buffer, so then she can go to sleep.
buffer?
Tomorrow you've got time to
Yeah, we
watch
just
stuff.
finished watching Gurn's anime. It was so good. It's a $13,000 toilet? What? Why is the toilet so expensive? That could be like a house. That toilet could have legit been like a mini home. Shit, like what what if I just like got the toilet and I installed it in my house? Shit. I'm like, oh dude, thanks for the toilet, and then I send her the toilet and it's just my old one. Piss stains and everything all over it. I'm like, yeah, dude, I don't know, maybe you just got like scammed or something. That's the toilet I got. That would be kind of big brain now. Yeah, maybe, dude, what if it was a scam? I understand, it's a $13,000. Dude, it's crazy. What the fuck? This toilet, bro. Where is it? Where is this toilet? New side quest. Walnuts? Yummy. Can we locate Numi's $13,000 toilet?